If you're over 50 and considering divorce, you are not alone. What often is called a gray divorce is one of the fastest growing types of divorce in North Carolina, as well as the United States. Hi, I'm Lisa Angel, an attorney with the Rosen Law Firm, and in this video, we're going to cover 5 essential tips on how to survive and thrive with your gray divorce. First, know your finances. Make sure before you reach any agreement that you fully understand all of the assets, all of the debts, as well as your expenses. Hire an attorney who knows how to look for hidden assets, understands what stock options, restricted stock, retirement plans are common in gray divorces. You don't want to find out years later that you missed an asset, and in your divorce, you want to make sure that you are covered financially. Second, really think hard before you decide that you have to keep the house. Let's talk about the house. Sometimes people feel an emotional connection to the house. They want to hold on to that item, that thing that has been the tradition that they've had in this long marriage. But a house, when we're looking at our property distribution and we're planning financially for your future, may not be the best investment for you. So make sure that you start to look at the house as an asset, as an investment. In a gray divorce, you have often accumulated assets over many years, and now you're dividing those in half. So you're making assumptions that are different than you made before. So having a financial planner and a real estate agent on board as well to help you make really objective, sound decisions about the house is very important. Third, don't miss a retirement plan. In a gray divorce, the retirement plans are very valuable assets. Sometimes people don't think through the pensions, the deferred compensation, as well as the 401k plans. All of these are assets that we can either offset and give to one spouse, or we can divide in half using a special court order called a qualified domestic relations order. Those court orders can help us to divide those retirement plans without any tax consequences or penalties. And they're a huge help in a gray divorce. What we wouldn't have been able to do outside of divorce, we are able to do with a qualified domestic relations order. Make sure you have an attorney that reviews those orders and is experienced in how to make sure that those orders get qualified and thoroughly divided. Fourth, update your estate plan. A lot of times people spend all of their energy on the separation agreement, which is really where the vast majority of all of the issues are going to get resolved. So you're going to use your separation agreement in North Carolina to divide your property and alimony. All the financial decisions are getting made there. But after you've signed a separation agreement, you need to update your estate plan. You need to think about beneficiary designations, as well as whether or not now it makes sense to set up a trust or other types of estate planning documents, because the plan that you had in place when you were together is going to be different now that you've experienced divorce. So make sure to talk to an estate planning attorney and have your documents updated. And then finally, fifth, take care of yourself emotionally. Going through a gray divorce is very challenging. You've been with this person for many, many years. You assumed that your life was going to be one way, and now it is taking a very big turn and things are different. Reach out to friends, to family. Consider having a therapist or a support group to help you through this process. You're about to make some of the biggest financial decisions you're going to make in your lifetime through your gray divorce. And you want to look back and make sure that you understood what you were doing and that you were very objective about the process. So get that help, recognize it's hard, and get that support that you need. I hope this video has been helpful for you. Reach out for a consultation at any point. We're happy to help you and give you some advice and specific strategies for helping you through your gray divorce.